Lesson: Key components and tools in RPA solutions. Robotic process automation has emerged as a transformative force in the realm of business process management, offering organizations the ability to automate repetitive tasks efficiently. The key components and tools in RPA solutions are critical to understanding how to effectively implement and optimize these technologies for maximum benefit. This lesson delves into the fundamental elements of RPA, providing actionable insights and step-by-step applications that professionals can leverage to enhance their proficiency in this field. At the heart of any RPA solution lies the concept of software robots, or bots, which are designed to mimic human actions. These bots can interact with digital systems to execute business processes with speed and precision. The foundation of RPA is built on several core components: the recorder, the development studio, the runtime environment, and the control center. Each of these components serves a distinct purpose in the RPA ecosystem. The recorder is an essential tool that captures user actions on a screen. It translates these actions into scripts that bots can execute. This component is particularly useful for automating tasks that are highly repetitive and rule-based, such as data entry and transaction processing. For instance, UiPath and Blue Prism offer sophisticated recording tools that enable rapid bot development. UiPath's recorder allows users to capture complex workflows with minimal coding, streamlining the automation process. The development studio is where the magic of bot creation happens. It provides a visual interface for designing automation workflows. Tools such as UiPath Studio and Automation Anywhere's Bot Creator offer drag-and-drop functionalities, making it accessible for users with varying levels of technical expertise. These development environments support the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, allowing bots to handle more complex tasks that involve decision-making and pattern recognition. As an example, Automation Anywhere integrates with cognitive services to enable bots to process unstructured data, such as emails and documents. The runtime environment is the stage where bots perform their designated tasks. It is crucial for ensuring that bots operate smoothly and efficiently across different applications and systems. This environment must be robust and scalable to handle varying workloads. Blue Prism's digital workforce platform exemplifies a powerful runtime environment, offering centralized management and real-time monitoring of bot activities. This ensures that any issues can be promptly addressed, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. The control center, often referred to as the orchestrator, is responsible for managing the entire RPA deployment. It provides oversight and governance, enabling organizations to schedule, monitor, and optimize bot operations. The orchestrator ensures compliance with regulatory standards and enhances security measures by controlling access to sensitive data. UiPath Orchestrator, for instance, offers a centralized dashboard that displays bot performance metrics, helping organizations make data-driven decisions to improve their RPA initiatives. In addition to these core components, several practical tools and frameworks are integral to effective RPA implementation. One such framework is the RPA lifecycle, which guides organizations through the stages of assessment, development, deployment, and maintenance. During the assessment phase, businesses identify processes that are ripe for automation, considering factors such as volume, complexity, and rule-based nature. This ensures that the selected processes align with organizational goals and deliver tangible value. The development phase involves designing and building the bots using the development studio. Here, best practices such as modular design and reusable components are crucial to creating scalable and maintainable bots. The deployment phase focuses on testing and validating bots in a controlled environment before rolling them out to production. Proper testing is essential to identify any potential issues and ensure that bots perform as expected. Maintenance is an ongoing process that involves monitoring bot performance and making necessary adjustments. The control center plays a pivotal role in this phase, providing insights into bot efficiency and identifying areas for improvement. Continuous improvement frameworks such as Six Sigma can be applied to optimize processes and enhance the overall effectiveness of RPA solutions. Real-world examples illustrate the transformative impact of RPA. A case study of a leading financial institution demonstrates how RPA was used to automate loan processing, reducing the time required from several days to a few hours. By implementing bots to handle data extraction and validation, the institution significantly improved its operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. This example highlights the potential of RPA to drive substantial business outcomes when applied to high-impact processes. Statistics further underscore the growing adoption of RPA across industries. According to a report by Grandview Research, the global RPA market size was valued at $1.57 billion in 2020 and is expected to expand at a compound annual growth rate of 32.8% from 2021 to 2028. This rapid growth is fueled by the increasing demand for automation solutions that enhance productivity and reduce operational costs. To address real-world challenges, professionals must consider several key factors when implementing RPA solutions. Firstly, selecting the right processes for automation is critical. Processes with high frequency, high volume, and low variability are ideal candidates. Additionally, securing buy-in from stakeholders and ensuring alignment with organizational objectives is vital for successful RPA deployment. Engaging key stakeholders early in the process helps mitigate resistance and fosters a culture of innovation. Moreover, the integration of RPA with existing IT infrastructure is a common hurdle. Organizations must ensure that their IT systems are compatible with RPA tools to avoid disruptions. Collaborating with IT teams and conducting thorough system assessments can help identify potential integration issues and develop effective solutions. It's also important to establish robust change management practices to support employees as they adapt to new workflows and technologies. Training and upskilling are essential for maximizing the potential of RPA. Providing employees with the necessary skills to design, manage, and optimize bots empowers them to contribute to the organization's automation goals. Many RPA vendors offer comprehensive training programs and certification courses, equipping professionals with the knowledge and expertise needed to excel in this field. In conclusion, understanding the key components and tools in RPA solutions is essential for professionals seeking to harness the power of automation. By leveraging the recorder, development studio, runtime environment, and control center, organizations can design and implement effective RPA strategies. Practical tools and frameworks, such as the RPA lifecycle and continuous improvement methodologies, provide a structured approach to optimizing processes and achieving business objectives. Real-world examples and statistics demonstrate the transformative potential of RPA, while actionable insights guide professionals in addressing implementation challenges. As the RPA landscape continues to evolve, staying informed and proactive will enable organizations to remain competitive and drive innovation in their operations.